Okay, they're sitting that 40-foot piece of pipe right now. Here's little monkey man. He's part midget, I think. Part monkey, part midget. Like I said, each piece of these pipes, $30,000 a piece.
What do you want?
It's the radio I got on this.
Alright. I think you just set it on y'all. Yeah, man, I'm having a rough time getting oriented too.
Okay. That's the radio that you're listening to. I listen to all day long.
Give you one of those little mappy things?
Yeah, I've got your mappy thing hanging. Okay.
Yeah.
Pipe has to be within a ½ inch up or down, front and back.
I believe that sounds right.
Less than a ½ inch of tolerance. Can't be higher or lower than a ½ inch of where it's supposed to be. That's a 40-foot piece of pipe. I think actually it's a 38-foot piece of pipe, I think. Right there's a big mofo hoe. That's a EX1200. Oh, hell far. I used to dig curb and gutter with one of those.
I'll help you out.
Back in the day, I'd give me an old cable rig and I'll do circles around that EX1200. There they are. Okay, so they're gonna unhook. Oh, hey, I'm rolling. Gonna unhook, they walk around and set the pipe. Jesus Christ.